Hello and welcome. To trim a video on Mac, right-click on your video file, select Open With, and then choose QuickTime Player. Once your video is open, click Edit in the menu bar and choose Trim. You should see a yellow timeline selector with two marked ticker styles. To trim the start of your video, click on the left edge, hold and drag it to the right. Look at the timeline to get a rough idea of where to stop. Then, click again on the trim edge, hold for a couple of seconds. The timeline will expand so that you'll be able to fine-tune your trim. To trim the end, do the same thing, but this time you will be moving the right trim edge to the left. Once satisfied with the trim, click on the trim button. Now click on File in the menu bar and choose Save. Give your new video file a name, choose a location, and click Save. Please like if this video helped you, dislike if it didn't, subscribe for more tutorials and tips, comment to ask questions or to give feedback. Thank you.